travel as much, and this is something which, and I think, as you rightly said, time is ticking, it will not come back. uh, don't wait for the perfect situation in life, perfect opportunity. Every opportunity you get, step out, gain a new experience, because that is what actually helps you in growing as an individual, as a human being. And you get to know different culture, different people, you become more kind of accommodating. And I think that's where the human growth really comes, once you start mixing and understanding. And that is true knowledge, that is true growth, development. So I would say travel, this is one of the biggest kind of travel is a teacher. And have fun, and step out as much as possible, দূরে কাছে যেখানে পার্ক, even at night stay, so go out, enjoy. And thank you very much,
Absolutely.
Yokta.